Hi guys, we're at the garden. We're at the road, but there's a garden. Sometimes you need to go to the garden for a walk. I don't know what that means, but I'm Ronald McDonald. I'm a little Ronald McDonald. I'm a plushie. Other Ronald McDonald out there are big. Sometimes pretty small than me. There's a beehive over there. It's real. I'm not joking. Now, this is a Vietnam rose, and over here we have eggplants. We have chilies, dragon fruit, and cacti. We have many animals here. We have flies, but not much. We have millipedes. Not millipedes, the little ones. I'm gonna find one and show it to you, so y'all believe me. I once got a grasshopper, it flew away. Now I'm gonna hunt for a millipede. I'm not gonna kill it. I'm just gonna find it and show it to you. It's hard to find a millipede at the Philippines because, we're at the province, and this province is named, I'm not gonna show you. There's frogs here. There's no frog now. Oh shoot. I found a dangerous insect. And you don't believe me? There's insect sounds all over here. There. That. Now, I'll show you a plant. This is a plant. This is moss. You know that. These are flowers. And is that an orchid? Can you look? Yeah, that's an orchid. Now, I'm gonna ride at my cart and say to you that I love going outside because it's sunny and it's hard because I'm small. Yeah, I can do it. 3, 2, 1, go! It's so hard to pedal. Yeah, I've shown you enough. Now, you know that there's big lizards here? Not dinosaurs. Yeah, I'm telling you, there's big lizards down there. Cats, grasshoppers, spiders, not black widows, not tarantulas, not any poisonous spiders, just spiders. And we have ants. Oh look, I saw a lizard. We have mini toads, not at Super Mario series. Toads, y'all know that, right? And why are we walking around in circles? Oh look, there's a bug. Let me show you. That's not any bug. That's an insect. And it's I know the names of butterfly. Butterfree. Hey Butterfree. Where's Ash? Aww. Cute little butterfly. I forgot to mention there's a butterfly here. Lots of butterflies. They're white like that, greens, and colorfuls. And we used to play soccer with my friends. I cannot. I heard an insect. Not just I don't know. I heard a reptile, and it's not just any reptile. It's like a lizard, but like a lizard. It oh shoot. It's a big lizard, and it bites, runs fast, and has a gold color. But not color gold. It's shiny, and yeah. In Philippines, we call that bubuli. It runs fast and it bites. I hope I don't get bite. No bubuli. It's a bubuli noise. Jiminy Cricket's making a noise too. I don't see caterpillars, but I see spiky ones. Yeah, don't believe me? I'm gonna show you to the next episode. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna build a boat later, because building a boat, it's much better than a house. Those kids vandalizing my house. Now, today, I'm gonna show you this. Is this a snake plant? Yeah, snake plant. Another snake plant, but it's not a snake, it's just named snake plant. These are other Zats. This is aloe vera. And many more. We see many things. I'm going to show you a millipede in the next episode. And today, I'm going to say bye-bye to you all, because this is my second episode at the other boys channel. Bye. How can I? Oh, there.